welcome back to the channel again, and I said I'll keep going with these videos. So today we've got some Blue Lock sport cards, a box on them, Blue Lock. If you remember the last video, we pulled some very good cards out of this story, Mega Stories. And I think I will get some more of them because I enjoyed. If you look, we did pull some number cards in that pack, and they were very nice cards. So maybe you look back on that if you remember. Today we'll do half a box of these, I think, and we're going to slow down a bit. I keep doing full boxes, and I'm going to make this a 2 video because I want to make it a 2 video. What is there, 30 packs? So let's see, 30 packs, 15 today, maybe? Let's see how many of these. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, that's weird, I got 15 bang on out the box. So this should leave 15 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, that's weird guys, I got 15 bang on. We'll see how we go, we might open them all, but I want to save some videos and that, and some suspense. So we'll go 15 for now. We'll see. It's 15. Look at this is the pack. The cards inside feel dead thick and solid. So we'll see what we get. Let's get some sleeves out of the pack. Ready to go. Dead sleeve. Maybe I use it. Alright, let's get going because 2 minutes in, we're going to open the pack. Let's go. Right, first pack, Blue Lock. Let's see what we get out of this pack, guys. I've never watched this show, so you'll have to let me know what's good or not. This way. Oh, we've got different colour backgrounds, so we've got white, black and pinkish colour lines, so we'll see what's better. And the first one, the thick cards again guys, look how thick they are, so they're going to be nice. And the first one is a BP of guy, I don't know maybe what's good yet, so BP, a ZR. That's a kitten, yeah. And a QR. Nice cards. Do actually like them. But I don't know what's going to be good for this deck yet, so I didn't look it up. What does it say on the box? It doesn't say, so we'll see. Maybe I'll just leave the ones what I like the best. I like how it's that way, because some packs don't actually. So we've got pink, oh, different coloured one in the middle. Oh, that's nice. We've got an LGR. That's nice shiny. That's going to be sleeved actually. I actually like that card. Sleeve that one up. We'll sleeve anybody with names on actually. A CP. And another QR bunny thing. They look cute together actually. maybe I make piles now, and then I don't know. So if I put my CPs up here, QRs there, I put my ZRs here, and I put my BP. Actually, my BP can be sleeved and all, because that's a nice card. Actually, BP is shiny. So I do different piles, so we know where we are. So I ain't gotta do it later. Now I've got another box of these, but they are a special edition box, so we'll get through them at some point. See what colours we got again. Oh, an orange one. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Oh, that's a sick card. I've never watched the show, guys. Do you know if the show's any good? Let me know. Maybe I should watch it. Blue lock thing. It's a new card, so I can go over here outside of me. And we've got CP and a QR. So I'm guessing these CPs are similar. And then the QRs are always going to be, but they're all different. And these QRs are pretty cute. Look at them. These are some nice cards and all that, because they're nice and thick. Don't feel cheap. Pink. What's pink been? I don't know. Have I ever seen a pink? I don't know if I've seen a pink. So I know black I've seen, and light blue. Light blue is LLO. Oh, hold on. LLR. Is this LL? No, it's LGR. God, there's so many different ratings. I don't know what's what, but that's a nice card. So I'll sleeve that. That is a different ZR and a GR. No, I ain't gonna pick before a GR. So that could go there. GR there. That's a shiny person, so I'm going to sleeve it. LGR, we'll put it over it for now. We'll go for the group packs after. The packs feel nice, and another pink. I just pulled a pink. Okay. Oh, it's a blue look. Don't know what it is like, but yeah, blue look. One the same as this card. Look, looks nice. TP and QR. I think that's a new QR now, so we'll take that. New CP too. So I like to collect, I like to do it for fun, I like to show you guys what I get. So please let me know if you enjoy some of these cards. Let me know if you want me to get any cards, like you want to see something. I'll try and get them. Hope you can like the video and leave a like and leave a comment. Oh, SSR. That's new. Again, I don't think I've got an SSR. I don't know what's good in this pack, guys. A grandpa, McGonagall. Yeah, I got one of them. This is like a, that looks like football. Yeah, they're football and different things, so it's not too bad. Zeds, I've got two of them, but this is new again. I don't know which one's the best for them, but they all look shiny, so I'm just gonna SSR. We'll go for them at the end, so, and then you If you guys know, let me know which one is the best card. Don't do it for the best cards, I do it for the enjoyment and to show you what's in these packs. All BP. This is these BPs. So this is like the football team, it's like a lineup type thing, which is very cool. You have CP and a QR again. Let's just check my CP, see if this is new. And it is new CP. Ooh. And I think this is another cute little thing. Yes, it is. Wait, look. I got one pick one. Numbers are 29. Oh, yeah. And this is 4, 5, and 6. Look. And 7. I've got quite a good order. And 29. Which is a bit weird, but okay. I could do a full thing at the end, but we'll see. There we go, guys. Spool. Oh, another BP and silver background. That is nice. Does that mean it's a different team? I don't know. Maybe no, it's the same team. So BP silver. Hold on, sleeve, got a sleeve, got a sleeve, got a sleeve. Push. Nice cards, these are very nice cards. Then we've got ZR. New ZR again. Then we've got number 3, that's weird, we've got 4 last time, now I've got 3. So that's a new little creature, little cute thing. Blue Lock football cards. These are nice cards. What does that feel for Vic? I don't know. We got an LOR again. We've got CP and number 2. That is so weird in that order I open up, but I'll take it because it's new. Where have I put my LORs? So this side. I'll probably make this 2 videos, guys, because it's taking quite a while as it is. So I probably do 15 now, and then later in the future I do the other 15, and then after that I will do the mega box. Oh, what the hell is this? Wait, which way do I open this? What about this way? But what's this? An LOR, but it's like a. Oh, hold on a second. LOR, but look at that colour, guys. It's like Ziggurat. It's so nice. But the other LORs aren't like that. It's a weird card, but it feels so good on the sides. So weird, but nice at the same time. It's an LOR, so it's got also to get a sleeve. Get in. It's in. The other LORs aren't like that. Just normal, so something special about this one. I don't even know. It's the same guy. It's all the same guy, isn't it? I know. This guy's the same guy. Don't really know him from the show, but nice cards. And then you got another BP and a ZR. ZR's new, and the BP's new too. So it's another player for the team and a BP. Remember, we've got another box, another 15 packs in the future. I don't think I'll be doing them today, guys. It'll be so long, the video will. And we can look again in the future at some. Oh, that's a nice card. LGR. Shiny. CP and number 1 at the QR. So yes, we can maybe make a full binder of this at the end. CPR, so this is this one. Yeah, that's nice. Have I got that one of them? Yes, I've got one there. These are these are quite nice cards. They are really nice cards. 4 packs left, guys. So been some nice cards. That looks really nice. I've only been 15 and it's been so nice cards. We've got a blue lock again. ER. We're doing a number 18 and number 14 on the QR. It's cute. Tiger. Don't think I've hit any dupes yet, but I remember I've got half a pack, a box. Unless I get some in this pack now. 3 cards a pack now. Very. Oh, LOR. Oh, what's another LOR? Which is these ones down here? Which for that other one was different. CP and number 13. Little ghost. These are cute. CP. I don't know if I've got that one, but maybe right. Oh, I've run out of sleeves. I've done. Run out of sleeves at the wrong time. New sleeves, but they're a bit tight to these ones too. Oh, a bit different now, look, because that was a little smaller sleeves, but tighter. It's fine still. Okay. It's a bit same card. Never mind. Another same card, and I'm not sure that's the same, but I'm sure I've seen this one. Let's just check. Zoom, 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 zoom. Yep, that was the same. So that's 2 dupes. But this, which might, to be honest, my favourite cards. I don't think I've got a green. Nope, my first green. So yeah, little fairy man. But 2 dupes, not too bad in the first 15 packs. Well, we'll see. Last pack, guys, last pack. Oh, we got an LR. But we've got this one. I can see it right to the side of me. We just literally pulled it a second ago. So, that was a bit... A CP in that colour. Don't think I've got a GR, which I know I've not got many of them, so that can go over there. So, guys, what we got is these for the LORs. That one's a bit different. I don't know why. These for the CQs, little things. They're so nice. The cards, ones are. Then we got these for CPs. got these for the ZRs, black borders. Then for the ERs, we got three. We got one the same, but we got these three. Very nice cards. Got these two for the LGRs. And then we got these for the BBs. 4-player BBs. So yes guys, thank you for watching. Remember, I've got another 50 of these coming at some point. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I love doing the videos for you, so you like and leave a comment and mention anything you want to talk about. And see you next time. Please leave a like, leave a comment. Goodbye.